An ollie is when the tail of the skateboard is quickly pushed down by the skateboarder's back foot to create power and pop. This makes the nose of the skateboard go up quickly. As the nose goes up, the skateboarder uses his front foot and tilts it as he slides his foot up the grip tape by using the side of his shoe, and this picks the skateboard up off the ground. And the skateboarder's back foot lifts up to bring the tail end of the skateboard up, and your body does a jumping motion with the skateboard staying with your feet. The skateboard then comes back down to the flat surface, and the skateboarder absorbs the landing by landing on the bolts of the skateboard and bends his knees and leans forward as he rides away clean. The main focus for beginners is to pop that tail down and get the back wheels off the flat surface and develop that muscle memory of doing the ollie. The skateboarder then learns how to ollie over objects like a skateboard and picks up the back end of the skateboard higher to get over obstacles. Then you can do board stacking. You can stack 2 skateboards and then try to do a higher ollie over 2 skateboards. The skateboarder then masters the ollie, and then it's all about learning how to pop the board before the obstacle and just be able to clear over top of it and have confidence in your ollies and level it out and bend your knees when you land. As skateboarder approaches the 4 skateboards, he pops the tail of the skateboard perfectly in time to get the right amplitude to clear his nose over the deck of skateboards and the back truck, and pulls his knees up to his chest, bringing the skateboard above the decks, and then he extends his legs and comes down, bends his knees, and rides away clean. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe for more skateboarding videos. Yo, make sure you guys click up here for the next episode on how to ollie for an absolute beginner. It will teach you a step-by-step process to master your ollies, so you'll be ollieing over cones like this in no time. Peace out. Enjoy the series.